This is to extend the president's rule, viewers. Remember, this is coming in as we are in the monsoon session of the parliament. President's rule in Manipur has been extended for a period of 6 months, and the Home Minister will move this bill in the Rajya Sabha. In a statement, the Rajya Sabha Parliamentary Bulletin, Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation, have given notice of the following resolution, which has been admitted that this House approves the continuance in force of the proclamation dated the 13th Feb in respect of Manipur, issued under Article 356 of the Constitution by the President for a further period of 6 months with effect from 13th of August 2025. Okay, let's go ahead to Riyanka. Riyanka, huge update coming in. Home Minister will be moving the bill in the Rajya Sabha for extension of the President's rule in Manipur. Now, this is a very, very significant development that we will keep our eye on today.
Absolutely, Shivangi. We know that Manipur was marred by ethnic violence, and back when it was Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, he went ahead and resigned from his position on 9th of February this very year. And since then, 13th of February 2025, the President rule has been imposed in Manipur. Now, on the other hand, there has to be an extension that needs to be given to that, is what we understand was a resolution coming from the side of the centre, which is where Home Minister Amit Shah had given a notice to move this particular bill in the House, which has been approved by Rajya Sabha. And today, Home Minister Amit Shah will go ahead and move this particular bill in the Rajya Sabha in order to extend the President rule in Manipur for the upcoming 6 months. The date for this particular rule to be imposed is being told as 13th of August this very year. And on the other hand, this particular process includes where Home Minister will go ahead and move the bill, then the entire issue will be debated and then simultaneously passed. The same exercise will have to continue in the Lok Sabha as well, and which is when this particular rule will be further imposed in Manipur. So yes, we will be keeping a very close eye on Home Minister Amit Shah today in the Rajya Sabha, who will be going ahead and tabling this particular bill of extension of the President rule in the Rajya Sabha. And remember, it is the 5th day of the monsoon session. We already saw that the monsoon session has been marred by sloganeering from the side of the opposition on the Bihar SIR issue. But we have to wait and see how the important business, on the other hand, goes ahead in the parliament today, smoothly or not. That is something that we will have to wait and watch at around 11 a.m. this morning.
That is right, Riyanka. I'm very glad you brought out that point about the business of the House being conducted smoothly and fairly, given the fact that the opposition has been raising huge ruckus and disrupting the parliament, whether Rajya Sabha or the Lok Sabha, multiple times. So this will be very important, because very soon Home Minister will be moving that important resolution, and we have to wait and watch what will happen next.
Absolutely, Shivangi, as I rightly mentioned, that during the last 4 days of the monsoon session, we have seen that there were several adjournments made. In fact, yesterday as well, as soon as the Lok Sabha resumed for its business hours, there was a huge sloganeering and disruption that was seen from the side of the opposition. In fact, they went ahead and protested at the Makar Dwar of the parliament, asking for debate on the Bihar electoral revision voter list, and that is something that has been questioned by the opposition in terms of the electoral implications and constitutional implication of the Bihar SIR now, which has been brought in by the Election Commission. On the other hand, the Election Commission had also took a jibe on those who have been critical on this particular move by the EC. So we have to wait and see this morning at 11, because there are several bills that are in the pipeline, needs to be debated and talked about and then simultaneously passed. But when it comes to the opposition, if they continue to disrupt the House and continue with the sloganeering, no business can be properly done in the House. But on the other hand, when something so serious like Home Minister Amit Shah moving the bill for extension of President rule in Manipur is concerned, we have to wait and see whether or not the House functions.
That is right. So we're counting down to the session kicking off today, 11 a.m. onwards, Riyanka, because very important business will be conducted, and I'll be coming back to you for more on that. I really have to move ahead right now.